Okay, so you most likely have already opened this box to get the power cord out, but if not, let's walk through kind of what's inside here. So we have a quick start guide. This is really helpful for setting up or questions. These are new build plate stickers. Now you shouldn't have to ever replace this. It should be something that you can usually just clean with some isopropyl alcohol. However, if you start getting print jobs that are coming out like this, replacing or cleaning your build plate may be a good idea. We have some stickers. We have the clips. They provided 2 spool holders. This accommodates bigger or smaller spools. In this box, we have some tube grease, the little applicator pen for the touchscreen. We also have some little screwdrivers, Allen keys, some tweezers, and this little card. Now this is, they call it the Z offset tool. A standard piece of copier paper can also work, and this is what we're going to use to calibrate the machine. We'll come back to that in a second. And in the very bottom of this box, you may have, it does come with a free roll of filament. This may or may not be there depending on your box, but you should also have this little tool that can help kind of clean up the print bed and to help remove any stuck print jobs. We'll talk about taking off print jobs when we finish a print.